Have you ever scrolled through social media and seen someone raving about a product in a creative and engaging post? That's the power of user-generated content, also known as UGC, and it's not just about likes and comments, it can actually turn you into a real influencer and even help you get rich. Welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of UGC and explore how you can leverage it to build a following, score brand deals, and potentially turn your content creation skills into a profitable career. And as a bonus, we're going to explore how UGC can actually make you rich. Yep, you heard that right. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to unleash your inner influencer. First things first, let's break down what user-generated content actually is and why is it powerful. UGC is content that's created by everyday people like you and me about brands, products, or services. It can take many forms, from reviews and tutorials to funny skits and artistic creations. The key is that it's authentic and relatable, and that's exactly why it resonates so well with audiences. Here's the thing: people trust their peers more than they trust traditional advertising. When they see someone they can identify with sharing a positive experience with a brand, it feels genuine and removes the skepticism that often comes with polished ads. Fresh, relevant content improves a website's search engine rankings, and UGC provides a continuous stream of this content. Google and other search engines favor websites that are regularly updated with new content, and UGC is a great way to keep things fresh without investing in constant content creation. Research shows that consumers are 2.4 times more likely to view UGC as authentic compared to content created by brands. That's a huge difference. This authenticity translates into higher trust and loyalty, which are critical for any business. With the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch, user-generated content has become more prevalent than ever before. We are living in an age where anyone with a smartphone and internet connection can share their creativity with the world. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a big budget to get started. All you need is a passion for creating and a willingness to put yourself out there. Websites like Amazon thrive on user reviews. They provide social proof and help potential buyers make informed decisions. By encouraging your customers to leave reviews, you can build a repository of valuable content that drives more traffic and conversions. One of the key reasons why user-generated content is so effective is its authenticity. People are tired of being bombarded with ads and sponsored content. They crave real, genuine connections with creators who they can relate to. User-generated content allows you to showcase your unique personality, quirks, and interests, which in turn can attract a loyal following of fans who resonate with your message. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How can user-generated content actually make you rich? Well, the possibilities are endless. From brand partnerships and sponsored posts to affiliate marketing and merchandise sales, there are countless ways to monetize your content. You have the power to turn your passion into a profitable business, all while doing what you love. Are you still around and didn't like the video? Just to remind you, this is a free initiative from a millionaire like me, so I hope I can at least get a like from you. The beauty of user-generated content is that the sky's the limit when it comes to earning potential. Just look at the success stories of creators like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, and Jenna Marbles, who have turned their passion for creating into multi-million-dollar empires. These creators started small, but through hard work, consistency, and a bit of luck, they were able to achieve unbelievable success. And you can too. Now let's discuss some fantastic UGC success examples. One great example is Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. They personalize Coke bottles with names, encouraging people to find their names or their friends' names and share pictures of their bottles on social media. This campaign generated massive engagement and free advertising for Coca-Cola. We have Starbucks in their incredible White Cup contest. This campaign really showcases the power of embracing customer creativity and giving them a platform to express themselves. In 2014, Starbucks launched the contest, encouraging customers to decorate their cups with customized art, take a photo, and submit it through social media using the hashtag White Cup contest. The winning design would be printed on a limited edition reusable plastic cup, and the winner would receive a $300 gift card. The contest generated nearly 4,000 entries in just 3 weeks, and the winning cup design was so popular that it was made available for purchase in Starbucks stores over a year later. This campaign not only drew attention to Starbucks reusable cups, which are part of their sustainability initiative, but it also demonstrated the brand's willingness to listen to their customers and engage with them on a creative level. Another great example is Surave, a skincare brand that has effectively utilized user-generated content by showcasing customer testimonials and reviews on their website and social media platforms. This strategy has helped build trust and credibility with their audience. These examples demonstrate the impact that user-generated content can have on a brand's success. By embracing customer creativity and giving them a platform to express themselves, brands can not only drive engagement and increase brand awareness, but also build a loyal community of customers who will advocate for their products. Let's take a look at some more examples of successful user-generated content campaigns. We have Sephora, a cosmetics powerhouse that has created a beauty insider community where customers can share beauty inspiration, news, and recommendations with real people in real time. The community features user-generated content from real customers, making it shoppable and driving conversion and product discovery. Faro Ball, a manufacturer of bold wallpapers and paints, has also seen great success with their user-generated content campaign. They celebrate their talented community by showcasing their ideas for up-and-coming interior designers and everyday customers. The brand boasts an impressive, engaged community of 1.6 million followers on Instagram, and user-generated content makes up the majority of their posts. The Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas is another great example of a brand that has leveraged user-generated content to drive engagement and conversion. They encourage guests to share their photos on social media using a branded hashtag and then feature them on their website and social media channels. This not only creates a sense of community among their guests, but also provides social proof for potential customers. These are just a few examples of the many successful user-generated content campaigns out there. By embracing customer creativity and giving them a platform to express themselves, brands can build a loyal community of customers who will advocate for their products and drive business results. How can you use UGC to make money? There are several ways you can leverage UGC to turn a profit. Here are a few of the most popular methods. Method 1, brands are constantly looking for creative UGC to promote their products. By creating high-quality content that features a brand's offerings, you can catch their eye and land lucrative partnerships. Method 2, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love through affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. UGC is a fantastic way to showcase products in a natural way and drive sales for brands. Method 3, building an audience and selling your own products or services. UGC can help you establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Once you've built a loyal following, you can leverage your influence to sell your own products or services, like ebooks, online courses, or even consulting services. Tips for UGC success. Now that you know the potential of UGC, here are some tips to help you create winning content. Find your niche. Platforms thrive by serving specific interests that aren't fully addressed by mainstream platforms. They build tight-knit communities where users feel valued and engaged, which can be monetized through ads, memberships, and more. Focus on a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract a targeted audience. Be creative and high quality. While UGC doesn't have to be Hollywood produced, it should still be visually appealing and well edited. Invest in good lighting, sound, and editing software to make your content stand out. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in discussions. This fosters a sense of community and keeps your audience coming back for more. Be patient and consistent. Building a successful UGC presence takes time and dedication. Keep creating high-quality content and interacting with your audience, and gradually, you'll watch your following grow. Remember, UGC is all about authenticity and building genuine connections. So have fun, let your creativity flow, and who knows, you might just end up turning your passion into a profitable career. In conclusion, user-generated content has the power to make you rich beyond your wildest dreams. It's a golden opportunity to showcase your creativity, build a community of like-minded individuals, and turn your passion into profit. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Embrace your uniqueness and start creating content that speaks to your audience. Who knows, you might just be the next internet sensation. Hope you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on your new favorite channel, United Stacks of America, that will motivate you to earn more. Until next time, stay creative, stay authentic, and stay awesome. See you in the next one.